you going?
Hey, I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yep.
Cool.
Last week we talked about that we would go through that advanced statement and start jotting down like what you would like. Did you bring in all the information that you wanted on your advanced statement?
No, I forgot.
That's totally okay, Amal. Are you okay today? You just seem a little bit more down than usual.
Yeah, everything's alright, I'm fine.
Has something maybe happened the last time after your psychiatry appointment with Dr. Phil?
Yeah, just something personal happened.
Do you feel comfortable to talk to me about it? So if you don't feel confident to talk to me, have you spoken to anybody else, like your family?
No way, they wouldn't understand. We don't really talk about personal stuff like that in our family. It's just stuff to do with Angela, you know? I tried to talk to her, but she just straight out rejected me.
Oh, Mal, are you okay?
I just tried to tell her I'm sorry, but she just didn't want to listen to me or speak to me. I didn't think she'd be like that. She's usually really nice and kind. It kind of made me feel like crap.
Amal, because you're feeling this way, have you had any thoughts about suicide or self-harm?
No way, are you crazy? I would never think about doing that.
That's good, Amal. Okay. I only asked this because when we've previously been talking, you said that your breakup with Angela was quite traumatic, and you said it impacted the way you felt and potentially was the reason you went back into hospital. So I'm just trying to see the way you're thinking. You also said in other sessions that you used cannabis and alcohol when you felt like this. Have you used any substances after talking to Angela this time?
No way, no, I haven't smoked anything. I remember Dr. Phil telling me that I might relapse if I did, and I definitely don't want to go back to hospital.
Okay, that's really good that you remember Dr. Phil's recommendations. And that's true. It can affect your recovery. It must be hard because Angela was really close to you. I think it's great that you showed courage to talk to Angela, because I know you said you were embarrassed to talk to her. Some people don't understand mental health, and what you went through is kind of personal. They may not understand the things you have done recently as well in your road to recovery. And Angela, unfortunately, haven't seen all the great progress that you've been making recently.
Yeah, it's tough. I really wanted to show all the good work I've done, but she just won't let me.
Yeah, that's completely understandable. Unfortunately, sometimes it takes time for people to come to terms with events that have happened. Everyone has different ways of coping. Okay, if you can't talk to your family, do you feel comfortable to talk to anybody else? How about Jake or Dr. Phil?
Nah, not Jake. He just laughed at me. I mean, he's a good mate and everything, but he doesn't take that stuff seriously. But maybe Dr. Phil.
Yeah, I think that's a really good idea to talk to Dr. Phil. I understand that you aren't usually comfortable opening and talking with your feelings, so that's great if you can open up to Dr. Phil. And Dr. Phil can maybe come up with some strategies for you to deal with what's just happened.
Yeah, I really like Dr. Phil. He really gets me.
Yeah, that's really good. And have you maybe thought more about those peer support groups that we talked about, where everyone just gets together, has a coffee and has a friendly chat?
Sort of, but my mind's been a bit busy this week.
That's totally fine. They're always there, and I could always come along with you for the first session too if you felt a little bit uncomfortable. You know, I'm always down for a coffee.
Yeah, sounds good. I'll give it more thought soon.
Sounds good. You know, we don't have to go tomorrow, just something to think about. The only reason I bring it up is because it's a really good group. It's like-minded people that have gone through similar experiences that you could maybe chat to, other than me and Dr. Phil.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, it seems like a lot has gone on lately, and you're still feeling a little bit down. Do you want to go through this advanced statement today, or do you want to reschedule for another day?
Yeah, it might be good if we do it another day. I'd actually like to talk to my mom and dad about it. They'll be home soon anyway. Can we do it after Dr. Phil's session next week?
Yeah, that's totally fine, Amal. I'm free that afternoon. I think, yep, I'm free. Do you want your mum and dad to come?
I'll see what they're up to. I don't know if Dad's working or not. Can I send like you an email sometime?
Yeah, sure, that's fine. Just let me know if they're coming. Are you okay to get home by yourself?
Yeah, Mum's sitting over there in the waiting room right now.
Perfect. I'll walk you out then to her, and I'll see you next week.